Another thing, if your soffit, got soffit on, I like to take the soffit off. That way I can get my panels up behind the soffit, and then I can work my soffit around the standing seam just to make sure that everything up there is sealed. I need more screws. $20, $30. So, see how these pieces are coming in here like this? You want to figure out what's your gambrel, lower your end wall there. What size do I have? 5 inches. Well, I'm not far enough down on this side then. Yes, sir.
I'm going to have the folks in the back come up to the first 3 rows because the table guy is going to be coming. We got to.
Okay.
Hey, folks in the back, can we utilize row 1, 2, and 3? This is 1, 2, and 3. That way, we got the tables coming. We pick up at 5. So we just want to be a step ahead. So we didn't play anything. If you guys could move up, that would be awesome. Sorry, man. I'm going to stretch a little bit. Wake you up a little bit. Appreciate you hanging in there. Enduring to the end. That's what we got to do.
Yep. Okay. What's that?
5 is tight.
5 is tight. Okay, get a 32-inch piece cut. Good for now. So what we're trying to do is figure out where our bottom J is going to go. Hold that in like that. You finish cutting him. Got 2 1/4 inches there. You gotta get these J's to mesh together. Hey, thanks for checking out these videos. Hope what you learned was very valuable for you. If you've got any questions or comments or would like to see something else, please reach out on our email or on our website. Thank you.